Hello everyone, this is teacher Rejil. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how to estimate the square root of a whole number to the nearest hundredth. Example number 1. Estimate square root of 2. So the first method that we are going to use here is the special division method. Now we are going to write down 2. Then I will add here 3 sets of zeros. So for every set, there are 2 zeros. Why did I add 3 sets of zeros? Because I want our answer later to be in 3 decimal places. Now, we need the vinculum, then the right parentheses or the close parentheses. And this number, okay, under the vinculum is the dividend, and the number we have on this side, okay, is the divisor, and the number above the vinculum is the quotient. Now we call this special division method because whatever number we place here on our quotient, okay, that's the same number we write as our divisor. Okay, so the square root of 2 lies between 1 and 2. So meaning to say 1 is the correct number to put on our quotient. Because we write 1 here, we also have to write 1 on our divisor. Now let's remove the labels. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. The next step, bring down these 2 zeros. And then 100 is our new dividend. Now we need a new divisor. Where can we get it? We just double our quotient. So when we double 1, it becomes 2. But we need one more digit, okay, after the decimal point. So we indicate our decimal point. And what number will that be? Okay, that number that we write here will be the same number that we will write after the 2. Suppose we pick 2, and of course 2 is not the correct number. Okay, I just prepared this on purpose. So 2. Okay, we also have to write 2 here. So 2 times 22 is 44. Then 100 minus 44 is 56. It's wrong. Why? Because this number 56 is greater than 22. So meaning to say we cannot just guess any number here to write. So we are going to remove that part there. And then the correct number is 4. So, because we write 4 here, we also have to write 4 and after 2. Now, why 4 is the correct answer? Because 4 times 24 is 96. And this number is close to 100. And when we subtract 100 minus 96, that gives us 4, which is less than 24. Now, the next step, bring down these next 2 zeros. So our new dividend is 400. We need a new divisor. Okay, we double the quotient, ignoring the decimal point. So this is 14, double it. So that's 28. Again, we need one more digit here. So the correct digit is 1. So because we put 1 here, we also have to write 1 after 28. So it becomes 281. Now multiply 1 times 281, that gives us 281. Then subtract 400 minus 281, that's 119. Then bring down the next 2 zeros. Then this will be our new dividend. We need a new divisor. So double the quotient, 141, that's 282. Then we need one more digit. The correct digit here is 4. And then because we write 4 here, we also have to Okay, write 4 after 282. Then 4 times 2,824, that's 11,296. We don't need to continue because we already see 3 decimal places here, and actually we are just asked to estimate to the nearest hundredths, so meaning to say 2 decimal places only. So our estimate is 1.41. Let's do another example. Square root of 17. So we will copy down 17. Again, I will add 3 sets of zeros. Okay, then I need a vinculum and the close parentheses. Now the square root of 17 lies between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So 4 is the correct number to write on our quotient. And because our quotient is 4, our divisor is also 4. So 4 times 4, 16. 17 minus 16, 1. Next step, bring down the next 2 zeros. 100 is our new dividend. We need a new divisor. We double the quotient, that's 4, okay, becomes 8. We need one more digit after the decimal point, and that digit is 1. Okay, because we put 1 here, we also have to put 1 after 8. Multiply 1 times 81 is 81. Then 100 minus 81 is 19. Next step, bring down the next 2 zeros. 1,900 is our new dividend. We need a new divisor. So double 41, ignoring the decimal point, that's 82. We need one more digit here, that's 2. And because we put 2 here, we also have to put 2 after 82. Then multiply 2 times 822. The answer is 1,644. Then 1,900 minus 1,644, that's 256. Then bring down the next 2 zeros. Again, we have a new dividend. That's 25,600. We need a new divisor. Double 412. Okay, that's 824. But we need one more digit here, and that digit is 3. Because we write 3 here, we have to write also 3 after 824. Multiply back 3 times 8,243. That's 24,729. And we don't need to continue because we already see 3 decimal places here. And we only need 2 decimal places. So our estimate is 4.12. Now, there is another method. We call it Babylonian Method. Okay? So how do we do that? It will be done in 3 steps. First, estimate. Then divide 2 by our estimate. Then find the average. Okay? We will follow the steps. First, we know that the square root of 2 lies between the square root of 1 and the square root of 4. And of course, the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. So it lies between 1 and 2. Now, square root of 2 is closer to 1. Okay? Square root of 2 is closer to square root of 1 than to square root of 4. So meaning to say, 1.4 is a good estimate. Now, 2 divided by our estimate, 2 divided by 1.4 is 1.429. Then find the average, meaning to say we add our estimate and the answer we have on step 2. So 1.4 plus 1.429 divided by 2, the answer is 1.41. Now our average here is 1.41, and this is very close to our estimate, so we accept this answer, 1.41. Now how about if our estimate is not good? Shall we say 1.2? So we will follow 3 steps. Okay, estimate, this is our estimate. So we will divide this. Okay, we divide 2 by our estimate. Okay, so that gives us 1.667. Then we find the average. 1.2 plus 1.667 divided by 2, that gives us 1.43. And notice here that the average 1.43 is not close to 1.2. So we can continue, okay, the steps. Okay, we will make this our new estimate, 1.43. Then again, 2 divided by 1.43. So our answer is 1.398. And again, we are going to find the average. 1.43 plus 1.398 divided by 2. Our answer is 1.41. Now, the answer we have here, 1.41, is very close to our estimate, 1.43. So we accept 1.41. Now, I prepared here 2 items for you to work on. Okay, estimate the square roots of the following to the nearest 100. You can pause the video and take time in finding the square roots of these 2 numbers to the nearest 100. If you are done, I can now show you the answer. Okay, by the way, I solved item number 1 using special division method. Okay, I will still explain. Okay, copy down 5. Okay, add 3 sets of zeros. Then we need the division bracket. Then the square root of 5 lies between square root of 4 and square root of 9. So square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So it lies between 2 and 3. So 2 is the correct number to write here. And because this is 2, our divisor is also 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then bring down the next 2 zeros. Our new dividend is 100. We need a new divisor. So we double the quotient. That's 2. So it's 4. Now we need another digit after the decimal point. So that is 2. Then because we put 2 here, we also have to put 2 after our 4. Then 2 times 42 is 84. Then 100 minus 84 is 16. Then next step, bring down the next 2 zeros. Okay, our new dividend is 1,600. We need a new divisor. We double our quotient. Okay, ignoring the decimal, so that's 22. So double, that's 44. But we need one more digit here, and that digit is 3. Because we put 3 here, we have also to put 3 after 44. Then multiply 3 times 443. The answer is 1,329. Then 1,600 minus 1,329. The answer is 271. The next step, bring down the next 2 zeros. Then this is our new dividend. Okay, then we need a new divisor. So 223, you double it, 446. Then we add new, okay, digit here, and that digit here will be 6. And then because we added 6 here, we also have to copy it down here. Okay, so 6 times 4,466, that's 26,796. And we don't need to continue because we already see 3 digits after decimal. So we only need 2 digits, so our answer is 2.24. This 6 affects the 3. Okay, for the second item, I use Babylonian method. Okay, the square root of 7 lies between the square root of 4 and the square root of 9. And the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 9 is 3. So it's between 2 and 3. Now, square root of 7 is closer to square root of 9 than to square root of 4. So 2.6 is a very good estimate. Now, 7 divided by 2.6, that gives us 2.692. And then find the average. 2.6 plus 2.692 divided by 2, the answer is 2.65. Now, our estimate is very close to our average here. So therefore, we accept 2.65 as our estimate. Did you get the two items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.